Yo, what's going on, guys? We're back, another video. A lot of things have been happening, but long story short, we've got an apartment. Jackie and I moved in together. It's pretty exciting. Alexa's been helping us. She was like the first one to see it and everything, so she's really been like a part of this life change and stuff like that. But we're here at the apartment. It's pretty cool. It's pretty exciting.
Just got back from buying a few essentials.
Went to Sam's Club, and the first thing that we pretty much is important for us is making sure we have drinks. All relatively healthy drinks. Okay, so we're gonna do like a brief little apartment tour. There's nothing here, like it's an empty apartment. So that's kind of cool too. We can show the empty, and then like once everything is here, like we'll see what it looks like with actual furniture. But yeah, okay, so we're gonna do that now. All right, so we're here. This apartment is in Koreatown. Koreatown has a lot of cool things going on. There's no parking, but there's a lot of good restaurants. We got Boiling Crab. We have pupusas that are nearby. Yeah, but we're in the apartment, so check it out. So here's the fridge. It's a pretty cool fridge, stainless steel. I guess it has an ice machine and like it has its own water filter, so we don't have to worry too much about water. And then we have, for me, the kitchen. I'm a guy, so kitchen stuff I'm not too impressed. Maybe Alexa can help me with like what's impressive about the kitchen. I guess I've heard you guys mention like there's a lot of storage space, so that's kind of cool. There's nothing in here yet, but I do like the contrast, the cabinets with the darker finishes here. The floor is pretty cool, little kind of wood grain floor. But yeah, I'm struggling to find stuff for the kitchen. This thing is cool right here. This is gonna be exciting. I feel like I'm gonna be doing a lot of my like laptop work on this side. Just have my laptop here. We need to get little bar stool chairs, the high chairs. So that'll be cool. And I think we need to get something kind of cool in the middle, right? Like a little decoration here.
There's a plug. You can charge your phone like that.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, there's like a little power outlet here. So like, if I want to charge my laptop and stuff. So that'll be sweet. I'll probably be trying to do a lot of my work here. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, so this is the like small living room area. Like the apartment's not big, but the view is pretty much the craziest thing here. The coolest thing. Once we saw the view and like the floor to ceiling windows, I was pretty much like stoked. So I really love that about it. That was one of the things that was most difficult for me, like going into apartments that were dark, and it was like just that feeling of like isolation or being like in a little, box is what I didn't like. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the room. There's a light switch for that. The room, this is probably the only thing that we weren't too much fans of, is the carpet. The red carpet's kind of like, I don't know, makes it feel like an old hotel or something weird. Yeah, so we don't know if we could switch that out. Well, we actually said if they could switch it, but they were trying to charge us some more, so we're like, we'll live with the red carpet, whatever. So this is the room. Square like most rooms. But it has this little gray thing here where you can't hang stuff up. They told us this is a support. It's a small room, but it's just the two of us. We don't need too much room. And there's a cool, sweet little hiding spot for like kids here. So that's that was extra, but we had to get the extra little kid hiding spot. So then here as well, we have another like floor to ceiling windows here. Which this is going to be a great way to wake up in the morning and just see, all of LA and get kind of inspired in the morning, you know what I mean? So that's pretty sweet. So yeah, and then we have the restroom here. Let's check out the restroom. The restroom's kind of cool because it has this like little concrete floor here. It's a nice color. I just noticed these are Toto fixtures. Like this tub is Toto, like the toilets from Japan. the toilets that are heated in Japan that are super cool. Oh, actually, these toilets are Toto too, but they're like the American non-bidet, no little water like spraying in your butt, no music playing. Anyways, I miss those toilets. So you got your standard sink right here. We already went to go purchase a lot of things we're gonna need. Oral care is a must. Make sure you know you got your stuff. Your mouth ain't smelling. You know what I'm saying? So we got the toothpaste, we got the toothbrushes, we got the wipes. Make sure everything's wiped well. Bath tissue too. And this is cool right here. We have the washer and dryer combo here. So there's no excuse to have funky clothes, you know? And this would be a pain if like there wasn't a laundromat here. If we didn't have these, we'd have to like pack up all the stuff in the car and go. So. Alright, so we have a little closet. Is this a walk-in closet? It's a small walk-in closet, I guess. I think Jackie, you like this, right? You're a fan of this. Jackie already knows how she's gonna organize all her stuff, all her shoes and whatnot. And she said, I have a little space behind the door where I can only fit maybe like 4 pairs of jeans and 3 pairs of shoes. But it's okay, I'm a minimalist type of person, so I don't need that much space. Cool, and that's pretty much it. Yeah. So we'll see. We'll let you guys know once we get all the furniture and stuff. We'll do another tour. So, peace. You're staying in here. It's a red knife. That's kind of cool. I've never seen a red. It's like a Supreme knife or something.
This is like.
Where did that knife
so
come from?
sharp.
Is that the one your dad was gonna get you?
This is the ones that I'm gonna. Well, I still need more. This is just probably just to cut like big things that you need.
What brand is
Or like
that?
a watermelon. Cape Heart.
Cape Heart? It looks cool. In case somebody tries to mess with us, we don't cut somebody. What are you reading there?
Just to see what it says. I don't know, but this is so sharp.
With chicken enchiladas, you'll be like, milk sounds good. Like, ugh, no, I don't.
I'll be like, oh, yes, it does.
You're gonna get some cereal?
No, I'm about to change where the cereal goes. I don't know. Should our plates go here? I think our plates should go here. And then our cereal can go over here. You know?
Yeah.
And condiments can stay here. Or like coffee over here too.
Ooh, it's loud.
You know?
Yeah.
Put whatever it is the least up, back. This you don't have to put in the fridge until you open it.
Yo, what's going on, y'all? We're here in Koreatown, and we're about to hit up the little Salvi food stalls, tents that have like popped up.
It really
here.
looks like Junior. I'm not kidding. Look.
Yeah. Like, oh shit, he found us. Some kid looks like her nephew.
A ver, no quería manguitos. Mire, manguitos, verde, ¿ves?
¿A cuánto está?
A 10 este.
¿A 10?
niña.
¿Y este
vale
pequeño?
5, mi amor.
¿5?
Y este vale 5, mire,
¿Cinco?
corazón. Y este vale 5, mire, mi amor.
5.
¿Cuál quiere, papá?
¿Y los
Esto vale
plátanos?
3, 1 y yo le puedo dar a 2 por 5.
2 por 5.
Vale. Ajá.
¿Y las quesadillas?
La quesadilla. Hay de a 5, de a 3 y de a 1.50. Y la semita $5.
Oh, wow.
Ajá.
Ok, bueno, deje pasar un poquito y ahorita regresamos.
Vaya, papá, está bien.
Gracias.
Vaya.
Están los cocos. They called you mama. You like when they call you that, right?
Not other people.
Just me? Oh, okay. Look at that curtido, baby. Different little vibe. I think so. Se tiene a coliflor. Los mamones, todos los ocotes. Surreal.
Oh, sí, pero con helado.
Oh wow, fresh, baby.
What are you gonna want?
Wow, look at that. Dáselo. No se preocupe.
Una yuca quiero, dame un plato para llevar.
¿No se te antoja algo? ¿Ya? ¿Quieres pedir? O seguimos a ver qué más hay y al regreso.
Alta de purgatorio.
La salsa perrín.
There you go.
Igual salió la hoja. ¿Qué le damos?
Hola. ¿Cuánto valen los pasteles?
Le voy a 3 por 5.
¿3 por 5?
La orden de
También bueno.
El plátano le voy a dar $5. Le lleva frijol y crema. Sí, ya vino, pero ahorita viene.
No, aquí. ¿Cuánto por la orden de pasteles?
A
3
3 por 5.
por 5? Ok. ¿Y de qué son?
Mira, hay de pollo y de carne.
Oh, ok. ¿De cuál te gusta?
Estos son de pollo y estos
Me da una orden de pollo, por
¿Quieres,
favor.
¿no quieres dos de pollo y una de carne?
¿Puede ser 2 de pollo y una de carne? Sí, ok. Por favor.
y dos de
Por favor.
¿Curtido aquí o aparte?
Aparte, por favor.
No quiero maniquí.
¿Ah?
No quiero maniquí.
¿O sabe qué? Démelo adentro, ahorita lo vamos a comer, por favor.
Ahí mira que puedes sentar.
Oh, ¿te quieres sentar ahí? Oh, ¿sabe qué? Vamos a comer aquí. Oh, bueno, muchas gracias.
Y si quiere otro platito, ahí le doy otro.
Oh,
Gracias.
por favor, me regala uno. excited. We've never had it so fresh. Like it seems like they literally just made it. Yo, so we're here at the little Salvi spot. I was just telling Jackie, this is like, we're basically in El Salvador right now. Like, we didn't even get to try a lot of this stuff out there, you know? So right now we're trying the pasteles. Ahorita está probando el de pollo, the chicken pastel. It's pretty good. There's like a little table here. There's literally a lady like making yuca frita, making more pasteles right next to us. Here's my plate. How are these compared to the ones like that we usually buy? Like, would you say they're equal? Like, it was $5 by the way. 3 pasteles for $5, which is reasonable. And you get served like instantly because they're just there to grab.
They're bigger.
Right? They're bigger than the other ones that we ate. That we usually pay like $9 for. What about the taste?
They're similar.
Similar? They're crunchy. What did I get? Oh, this one has corn in it.
That's probably the beef one.
Oh, it's the one with carne, huh? Okay, I'm super excited. It tastes good. We just got horchata. Salvia horchata. Jackie don't like salvia horchata, do you? Try it. No? Wow, she didn't even want to try it. Alright, anyways, we're gonna eat a little bit more.
I've tried it.
Then we got a quesadilla too.
These are good.
These are so tasty and look so good, like you gotta get one. Con cafecito, fuck. Alright.